Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create blur glass effect in CorelDraw. Some of you might have come across this kind of effects in some designs. If you're new to this channel, please watch this video to the very end so you understand every bit of what I'm going to teach you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So let's start. There are basic tricks you're going to use to do this effect. Select Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle over the wanted area where you want to apply the effect. Select Shape tool. Hold any corner node as you can see and drag it to get a round corner shape. Now change outline color by right-clicking on white color. Now select the rectangle, hold Shift and select the image. Now duplicate by pressing the plus button on keyboard. Select the image, right-click and select Power Clip. Now power clip it into the rectangle. Click Edit, select the image, go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase blur to get the results you think you're okay with. It depends on the image size and the background. Click OK. Now click on Finish. Now you can see we have gotten to the very first step. Now remove the white outline. Now select Shadow tool. Apply a shadow to it. You can adjust the feathering over here. Now right-click on the shadow and break it apart. Now we will add noise to our image. Go to Bitmap. Convert to Bitmap. Resolution 300, color mode RGB. Hit OK. Now go to Effect, Noise. Add noise. Change the values as you want. Now if you zoom in you can see how it's looking as if it's a glass. Select the image, Shift select Shadow and send them back by pressing Ctrl plus Page down. Select the second rectangle, increase the weight to 1.5. Now select Transparency tool. Hold and drag this way so it's going to look as if it is reflecting. Now you can add your text over it. If you have any question, please drop me a comment in the comment section below and see you in my next video.